I posted that picture with her, and like I had about 10 female barbers from Washington say like bring her out to Washington. She's my favorite. All right, I'm back. I'm back with another Battle of the Barbers update, fresh off our Rumble in the Rockies trip, Denver, Colorado. First of all, it was a great show. I had a lot of fun. Met a lot of Denver, Colorado barbers who are hungry, looking to travel, looking to come out to Washington. So I'm really glad I made the trip. Shout out to my team, Yadida and Cassandra, for coming out with me. It's not easy going on the road. It's not easy going city to city. It's not easy going state to state, hotel room to hotel room. And, I have a lot of fun with the girls. And, we really did a great job networking, meeting the vendors, making content, really trying to put Washington on our backs. And I'm very grateful to go to war with those two ladies. And I'm excited for the future. It's like 5 p.m. right now, Pacific time. My flight was 5 a.m. this morning, so 12 hours ago. Took a little bit of a nap, a 5-hour nap right there. So I've got a little strength back in me. Also about to head out to South Center Mall, drop off my new clippers. I wish I had them to show you guys, but to my barber, it's new iconic technology. The whole I'm gonna have to do more research into it, but they look cool enough for me to buy some trimmers, at a show, without buying them in bulk to resell, just buying them just because I thought they were that cool. So I'm excited. I'm gonna have her use it on my next haircut so I can see a little bit more what they're about and how they hit and all that kind of stuff. I know it took off a big piece of my arm for the show, so I mean that's a good start. So great show at Rumble in the Rockies. Had a good conversations with Anti-Broke Barbers Club. It's looking like he's going to be at our September 1st show. That's going at Battle of the Barbers Appreciation. That's going to give us 3 out-of-state vendors coming, which is big. It's going to be very important, barbers, that we take care of these out-of-state vendors, because these out-of-state vendors, they're on the road all the time. They're talking to other vendors, and the one way to give us that expo style feel is to take care of the vendors that come first. So when they go out on the road, they can tell people, hey, you got something going on in Washington, it's worth the trip. And then all roads will lead to June 29th and October 20th. So I'm going to ask that we really take care of the Anti-Broke Barbers Club when he comes out. And then shout out to Coco Hair Clippers. I feel like getting to know them and watching them through the show. They got one of the strongest teams out there. They're hustling. They're judging. They're moving clippers. They're all dressed up. They're just organized and just running like a well-oiled machine. I think I found out their secret though. I was working out in the gym in the morning, Sunday morning. First time I've done that on the road, which is something I want to move in. I'm going to be on the road so much the next 40 weeks, 50 weeks, probably forever actually. But I'm like, I can't take a day off every time I'm on the road. That's just too many days off. So I decided to go to the gym. And when I was there, I found out probably 50 to 60% of the Coco Hair team was in there working out. I don't know if David and Jason make that mandatory, but I mean, whatever it is, it's working for them. So that was cool to see. I felt like I was in the right place, making that decision to work out in the morning. And then also I posted, so they got Babetto Benji and they got Dyra_style. And I posted that picture with her, and I had about 10 female barbers from Washington say bring her out to Washington. She's my favorite. So, I mean, it's almost like a sign. I'm going to work on that. Manifest that right here, but I'll probably see them at the LV Barber Expo, and I can see what we can do about bringing them out for June 29th. Things are rolling. We're definitely making an impact at every show. I competitors who go to every show are recognizing us. The vendors who go to every show are recognizing us, and everything's is looking good. I'm still excited about the future. Our update for Battle of the Barbers appreciation, we have 175 categories filled. I'm also doing something different for the October 20th show, so I'm going to start rolling out those announcements with the judges. I'm really excited about it. I think it's going to get a lot of barbershops involved, and just, you know, keep the growth moving. I'm very excited to have our shows trending up, because that's definitely a rare thing right now in the industry. We are on the right path. I'm excited. I am going to make a video on where I see the Barber Expo industry, its current state, where it's going. You know, I just want to wait and go to the LV Barber Expo and experience that before I can make a video about that, and just so I can have more information. But we're rolling 175 categories, a lot of out-of-state vendors, a lot of out-of-state sponsors. Free Barber Expo coming up. I think it's going to be 800 to 1,000 people, something Washington's never seen, and I'm excited for September 1st. Battle of the Barbers, by Barbers, for Barbers, all Barbers.